These very intense, very engaged faces belong to young learners at Leawood Elementary. They're laser focused on creating a special student-made little house. A house for bees.
The type of bees that we're attracting, they live in like little holes, and that's where their nest is.
Piles of fresh, untreated wood are being transformed into bee houses with the help of a pair of drill presses. Volunteers share their woodworking expertise.
I've been having an easier time with the holes and stuff. I've used it before because my dad works in carpentry.
It was hard for me to turn the thing because it was so like heavy.
Exterior design work follows.
Had an artist come in and show them how to freehand butterflies and flowers, and they were also using stencils to paint the roof of the bee houses.
You're going to center that.
And then it's time for final inspection and assembly. Teacher Tim Lupo got the bee house idea from a friend who makes them in his spare time.
He was sharing that he did that at his home, and I thought, oh, that'd be cool to do at my house. And then I thought, you know what, that'd be great to do in school for a math lesson.
We have specific measurements like 3/4 in an inch, 3/4. Where the lines cross is where we have to drill the holes.
Not only math, but ecology too, as the students learn the importance of bees in the global ecosystem, as well as the worrisome decline in bee populations. The houses are intended to help replace lost habitat for a specific type of bee, the mason bee.
They're 100 more times efficient pollinating than honeybees, because honeybees just take their pollen to like their hive and stuff for honey, but mason bees like just spread it around everywhere because they have a really fluffy like build, so they flop in a flower, get pollen, take it over there, over there.
And mason bees aren't the only beneficiaries of the students' handiwork. Proceeds from bee house sales are used to help villagers a world away in Cameroon, Africa, to get clean water.
It's just such an authentic way for them to make a difference in the world. They really have ownership of it, but then knowing that they're doing it for a purpose.
I don't think they really truly recognize the impact and the significance of it yet. So I think we're planting some pretty powerful seeds.
They're gonna have water.
I'm very glad we could help them.
Nice work.